Grüß euch and welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today I will be making a pork and leek sausage, and for this one I'll be using fresh leeks, of course, 800 grams of pork shoulder, lean pork shoulder, and 150 grams of pork fat and 50 ml of ice water. So let me show you the meat and what else I have for it. In here I have 800 grams of pork shoulder, as a lean pork shoulder and trimmed, and 150 grams of pork fat. The other thing what I'm using is leeks, fresh leeks. Let me show you this one here. There's fresh leeks. They're just coarsely chopped. They get then mixed into it and minced with the meat through the mincer. Pork and leek sausage only has a few spices in it. So there are 3 spices and salt, and that's it. But let me show you the spices I'm using and how much I'm using for. Okay, spices, what we need, as we have 1 kilo meat, so we use 18 grams of salt. For this one I use the rock salt again. I need to switch it on, of course. So 18 grams of rock salt. That's 18 grams. That's 18 grams. Then I'm using white pepper. White pepper I am using 2 grams. It's 2 grams. Then I need a half gram of ingwer. That's a half gram ingwer. And the other thing what I need is a half gram of nutmeg. That's it. So that's all the spices. So literally 3 spices and salt. That's it. We don't need more. The next thing what I will be doing is I mix the spices into the meat. The meat is cut into 2 to 3 centimeter cubes, and I also put in the leeks. So I break the leeks into it, and then I mix it coarsely by hand, and then I run it through the 8 mil blade, because like the sausage itself is coarse sausage, so we need the 8 mil blade on the grinder. So let's have the meat here. Let's put it in the spice mixture and also put in the leeks. Let's break them into it. I could have cut it a bit more, but that's okay. So actually give me the knife here. So just cut them in, so I just break them a bit finer. That will do. Perfect. Let me get some gloves. Okay, let's mix this together a little bit. Just literally get the salt and the herbs mixed into it coarsely. That's it. That will do. I will get the mincer ready now and start mincing it through the 8 mil blade. Let's get started. Okay, that's done now. So that's it. So you see, this is our coarse cut. What I will do is now is get the ice water ready, the 50 ml, and mix this. Okay, I got the ice water here ready, so I put the ice water in. Now let's start mixing it all together. Give it a good mix so it starts binding. Starting to bind now. There we go, it becomes very sticky now. Okay. That is there. Perfect. So we don't need to mix it anymore. She is really sticky. That's how you want that. So I get now the filler ready. Put this in the filler, get the casings ready, and then we start filling. Okay, the filler is ready. So let's make it 2 little sausages if you like. So get this in the filler. Oops. So, push this forward. Make sure you have no air in there. There we go. Let's take the leftovers here. Put this in as well. Push it down. Good. So let's get the filler. Let's close the filler. There we go. Done. Let's wind it forward a little bit till we get pressure. Don't be stuck getting pressure. That's it. So the filler is ready. So let's fix that. So the filler is ready. The casing has soaked as well, so it's nice and soft. So let's start filling. Okay, the skins are ready. So let's get them onto the nozzle. Let's get a bit of water inside the skin. There's a bit too much skin here, but that doesn't matter. Good. Make a knot in it, like I've shown you many times. You see, hang on a second, I'll show this again. So you hold 2 fingers, turn it, grab it, and just pull through. And then pull the skin up, and just before the skin is finished, pull. That tightens the knot here and they won't open anymore. So let's fill those sausages. So when you fill them so they're not too hard and not too soft. Nicely even. We got air in here. Here we go. On those little fillers, ever so often you get those air pockets, but you can't do anything about it. So try to get when you fill it, as much air out as possible, and then just use a poker like this here. Just fill it nice and evenly, the sausages. I say not too hard and not too soft. Here we go, that's it. So I need a knife. There we go. Let's cut the skin. Make a knot into it. Let's twist our sausages. Those ones are a little bit coarser. As I say, we done it through the 8mm plate. I mean, if you prefer them fine, you can run it through the 5mm plate. That's up to you. But because of the leek and everything, they should be a bit coarser and a better bite into it. So, those ones are done now. And guess what? With the rest, I will make a burger again and have a little taster. So I made that little burger as usually. You know me by now as a little taster. Do you want to see it? Come on, I'll show you. Here's that little burger. Pork Leek Sausage burger. As you can see, it has a beautiful cut on it. It's coarse cut. The leeks are in there. So, but let's get the frying pan going and put this burger in and let's have a taster. While the pan is getting hot, let me show you the sausages, what they look like. Here are the Pork Leek Sausages. You can see the leeks in there. Nice and coarse cut. They will be very, very tasty, those sausages, even if there's not too much spice in there, but because of the leek, it gives a very nice flavor. And my good old trusted pan is hot. So let's get the burger in there. You hear that? Beautiful sound, isn't it? That sizzling. You see how the leek is evenly beautiful. Already can smell the leeks. It's looking good. So the leek burger is done. And let's see what it looks like and let's taste it. Do you want to see it? Come, I'll show you. That's what it looks like. Can you see the leeks inside? Beautiful. Let's see what it tastes like. You can taste it leek instantly, literally. As soon as you bite into it, you taste that flavor from the leek, really good. Has a coarse bite to it, how it should be. And just a hint of the pepper, what's in there is just perfect. Really good. So when you like to have a pork leek sausage yourself, guess what? Make it yourself, because they are really good and I recommend try them out and I think you will love them or hate them. It depends if you like leeks or not. Otherwise, if you liked that video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, stay safe, and till then, see you. Bye bye.